Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kitty, and today we are doing a quick, super fast, super simple makeup routine. If I look tired, I literally just woke up. I just got done filming another video, which was my skincare video, where I explained the background. You know, we're in my new studio, but we still got to work on the wall. We got to paint, a lot to do. So this is temporarily my background. So I'm going to show you guys everything I'm going to use. It is super quick and easy. So I have Matte Poreless foundation. The Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation by Maybelline. I have the CoverGirl Outlast All Day concealer. And then I have LA Colors Matte Liquid Liner. This one I think I got at Dollar Tree and I actually like it. Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the color Caramel Toffee. I do use both and I'll explain that. And then I have the Morphe 25B Bronze Mocha, which are these colors here. Right here. Then, even though I got my eyebrows microbladed, I still like to do them when I do a full face. Although if you have a microblader, you really don't have to, but I just like to. Then I have the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer and the shade Dark Brunette. And I just washed this because Wesley was putting up a curtain in our bedroom and got dust all over my makeup. Then I'm using I don't sell this. I have a friend who does. So if you guys like Unique makeup and want it, let me know. I will give you her link. This is the Unique Mood Struck Epic Mascara. And I have, for lips, I just got this, I don't know how to pronounce this name. It's CIATE London Lip Lustre in the shade of Call Me. And I'm gonna use a lip liner, number 10 Cocoa by, what is this? I don't know. I don't know where I got this, to be honest. I can't even see the name. But anyways, we're gonna jump right to this video. I like to start with my eyebrows and my eyes, and then I move on to the face. So we are about to begin. I like to brush them first and then line them. I have a mirror over here because I like to see from far, and then I have a handheld mirror that I'm going to use, but I'm going to try not to block the view for you guys. So here we go. Let's see how long this takes me. I'm actually going to time it. So the time now is, this isn't when I'm uploading today, so don't go by this time on what time I uploaded, because this video is not going up today. So the time right now is 11:51. Let's see how long this takes me. Again, quick and easy. And if my face looks a little shiny, that's because I just moisturized. Okay, so. And this part is the one that takes the longest. The eyebrows. But again, if you don't have to do your eyebrows because you're lucky enough to have them, and you can skip this step. All I'm doing is outlining and filling in. I like to go like this to see how they are, like if they're even. Okay. And they don't have to be perfect, you guys. Nobody's eyebrows match naturally, so don't even bother. So that's it. That alone took me 2 minutes. So next, sometimes I like to put, let me move faster because it's supposed to be a quick and easy. Sometimes I like to put concealer on my eyelids, but today we're just doing a basic, quick and easy makeup tutorial. So all I'm doing is putting on sorry guys, the lightest shade all over my eyes. My eyelid. So that's all I'm doing, applying the lightest shade all over. And I'm gonna do more makeup tutorials. The next one I'll do like a full face, you know, of like details, like, you know, different eyeshadows and all that stuff. How to do the wing, all that good stuff. Okay, so I did the lightest shade. Then I'm gonna go with the next shade down from the bright one, and then that one I'm gonna do on the lower part, like the main lid right here, underneath the crease. Same thing over here. And I like to do both, like each step, I do it on both eyes. Some people like to do one eye first. I can't. Next, I'm gonna grab, see they're kind of similar, but one's bigger. The smaller one, I'm gonna go in this shade right here, which is kind of like, I can't explain it, but see how we have bright, then the next one, so the little darker, and that's the one I'm gonna use for the crease. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference it's making. Same thing over here. And I'm not perfecting anything, I'm just doing it fast because we're gonna pretend that I have somewhere to be and I need to hurry. Next, I'm gonna go in like a brown shade, but very light. This one here. This one, if you have this palette, it's called Seek, S-E-E-K. So I like to go like this, FYI. And then once, and then I start right here on the edge, and I stop right about the middle, and then I go up here. Then I do it, I dip again, and then I like to start right here and tap in here, and I just do that over and over until I get the shade I like. And then I go like that. And then I drag it all the way over, like this, at the end. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. Tap in the middle. Tap, tap, tap right here. Because this is kind of like a smoke effect. Smoky eyes, but I'm doing it really light because this is perfect for daytime makeup. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Then you move on and you do it quickly, like a line. Like you could skip this step actually, but for the sake of this video, just to see, and this actually takes me less time than it will today because I'm actually explaining step by step. So I just like to do a very thin line all the way across. There. And then do the same thing on the other side. This just kind of makes it look like a full face without it being an actual full face. I mean, it is kind of a full face. And you guys, my hands are really shaky. I just had coffee. That caffeine got me shaking. Okay, so I did that. I like to go like this real quick. So far we are 7 minutes in. Okay. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and do the foundation. What I like to do, I have this foundation brush here by BH Cosmetics, number 3. So I like to get my finger on the foundation thing and I go like this. I just put it in the main areas that I want to focus on. One more right here, here. All right. So once I've got that there, I like to go like that. And you just start spreading it around like this. And then I drag it down a little bit like this. And then be careful around the eyebrows. That's it with the foundation. Next, I get the what is this? Concealer. And squeeze it out a little bit. There we go. I put it a couple dots right here. Why isn't it coming out right? And then I go right here and here, a little bit here, and then this one little sunspot that I have that I've been working on, I put it there. And then, that's all I do there. Go like this, tap it in, spread it, tap and spread. Like that. These are the main areas that get red on everyone's face, which is why I apply it there. If you have leftover, you can go like that. And then I like to use the concealer brush and make sure that it's in. I brush up like that. Next, contour. So I go like that, and then I just do like right here, from like right here, and I drag it up like this. Do it once more, drag it up, and just blend it out really good. Same thing over here. And just blend until you're happy with it. Then I do the forehead. You always want to do this area all the way around like this. And then I get the edge of the brush and I just lightly go like that, and then I do the nose on each side. Like that, very light, nothing crazy. Okay, and then this big brush here I use for the banana tone yellow area, and I go like that, I tap it on, and then I do underneath the contour all this area. So I do it twice at least. Same thing over here. And then in this area, the top of the nose, and in between the eyebrows right here. That's it. And then I move on to mascara. So far we are, how many minutes? We're 13 minutes in and I'm almost done. So it's like a 15, well, it's definitely under 15 minutes if you're not explaining step by step. This is like a 15-minute max. Again, if you're not doing your eyebrows and you're not doing the liner, it's gonna take you even less. And the last step, I like to outline with the brown, which I can't find my sharpener. Go on the lip gloss. And blend. Then you do your hair, you get dressed, and you're good to go. So that was, let me zoom in, hold on. So that was my really quick 15-minute makeup tutorial. And what do you guys think? Was that easy? So that was it. Easy, right guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I made that really quick and easy for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I think my camera's crooked. Dang. I hope it wasn't like that the whole time. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I have so many more videos like this to come. Lots of skincare and makeup tutorials. And DIYs. I love DIYs. So yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next one. And love you guys.